Hi guys, this is me, Janique618. Sorry I've been MIA. This is the April 2021. Excuse me. I'm so tired. The April Glam Bag Plus review. I was so busy yesterday, May 6th, for my son's 12th birthday. So I haven't gotten this done in April because I was just doing other things. So I'm going to review the April bag now before I get the May bag. Anyways, so the bag, not this month, last month, the bag from last month, I have the items here. The theme is Force of Nature. So it says, Force of Nature. Whether you love your naked face or feel naked without your red lipstick, do what feels natural to you. When confidence is the first step in your routine, you can't be stopped. Okay, got it. Yeah, so that's the card. That's the card right there. And it's telling you about 5 skin-friendly superfoods, which is interesting. So skin-friendly superfoods. Interesting. Anyways, so in the bag we have, I'm going to try to go in order of what's on the app. Okay, let me see. Is it this? Yes, this. Okay. This is the Fast Pass Natural AHA Cleanser for oily and combo skin. And this is a cleanser that it has a little pump right here. And you basically just wash your face with this. You put it into your wet hands and you massage it on your face, and then you rinse and pat dry. This is vegan and cruelty free, made with love. And yeah, this is a nice little cleanser, which I always love cleansers. This says that it has aloe leaf and cabbage rose flower to help soothe and calm, plus natural AHAs for bonus brightening benefits. Sodium hydro something, helps lock in moisture. I can't read. Anyways, so that is that. Yes, love it. Boom. So that is that. I'm going to put this off to the side, put that in my bathroom. Then we have, excuse me. Hold on. Okay, sorry, I have to go back to, where is it? Okay, I can't find it right now. Anyway, then we have the shampoo bar with argan oil and control and soften. I can't use the shampoo bar right now because I have braids, and I'm not going to put that in my braids. But this is a shampoo bar. Looks like soap, but it's shampoo. And of course, you know, to do the shampoo bar, you wash your hair. But like I said, I'm not going to use it right now because I have braids. But it does smell really good though. I love argan. Anyway, it's argan oil in it, and I love argan so much. It smells so good. I will save this for when I have my hair out, which won't be for a while. I'm gonna have braids for a minute. Some of these things were add-ons, like, you know, you can add on to your bag. I don't remember which ones I had as add-ons. I'm trying to find my thing here. Plus April. Alright, let me see. Well, that I picked that. The shampoo bar I picked. Let me see. This is an add-on. This is some makeup removing wipes. This I added on. So I basically purchased this to add on to my bag. And these are Argan Oil Makeup Removing Wipes with Vitamin C. So that's what that is. I wanted to get these because I love makeup wipes or wipes in general. So I wanted to get this little pack. It's cute for your purse, for traveling. Don't look at my broken nail. Okay, put that over there. Then we have, I showed you the shampoo. Okay, this was part of my bag. This is primer by Pixi. Just primer. Everyone knows what primer is. This one is, this was an add-on. This is a small little sample of Twisted Sista 30-second curl spray. Coconut, avocado, and almond oils revitalizes curls and eliminates frizz. Of course, I can't use this either because I have braids right now. This is a small little sample of Twisted Sista. And I'm going to have braids for a while, so I had to save this for when I have my curly hair back and popping. Okay, we also have, this I think was an add-on. Oh no, I picked this. This is a lip restoration. This is basically lip balm, I think. Yeah, it's lip balm. I already used some. It's lip balm, which of course, who doesn't love lip balm? It's like the best thing ever. Chapstick, lip balm, stuff like that. Okay. Then we have this lipstick, which I am currently wearing on my lips. I picked this. This is Lauren Conrad Beauty. The lipstick is in the color Shell. For me, it's very neutral, as you can see on my lips. It's just like a light brown, whatever. And yeah, it's called Shell. Oh no, wait, where am I going? This way. Is it gonna? It's not gonna focus. Hold on. It's not gonna focus, but anyway. It's just the lipstick here, which I'm already wearing. So that's the lipstick. Then we have this lip gloss, which I added onto my bag. It's Power Slick Gloss in Bling Berry. Bling Berry. I'm going to put it over this to see what it looks like. Let's see how it looks over this color. It's basically like a clear gloss, even though it's purple in the thing. It's really pretty. And it smells, oh, it's got on my nose. It smells really good. It's so pretty. Ooh. It's basically like a clear gloss, but it's just so freaking pretty. Bling Berry. It smells really good. It smells like berries. And I put it over the lipstick. Nice. That's pretty. That was an add-on, and that is it. So, that is my glam bag plus. I think I got everything right. Yep, okay. So that was my bag. See, my April glam bag. And those are all the items. I like using the add-on things so I can like buy little samples and things like that. But yeah, like I said, I'm really tired. So I look kind of crappy besides the lipstick looking really cute. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching my video, and I'll see you in my May Ipsy Glam bag review. And the May bag, and for the May bag coming to me, is being shipped delivered right now, or shipped right now. I got the Glam Bag X for this month. For Glam Bag X, you get it. I think you get it every 3 months. I think it is. I think it's every 3 months. So this is my first time getting the Glam Bag X. So for May, I'll be doing the Glam Bag X review. So that'd be cool. And this one is for the May Glam Bag X. It's by Khloe Kardashian. So yeah, it's shipped quarterly, so every 3 months. Because it's 4 times 3. 3 months. Yeah, so we got every 3 months. Yeah, so I'm excited to review this Glam Bag X for May. So it'll be a bigger bag, like a big makeup bag, not the little small ones that you get, or the little sacks like this. It's gonna be like an actual makeup bag, like a big makeup bag. So I'm excited about that. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I need to go get some things done. I'm so tired. I'm gonna go sleep. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.